I think what you need to see is when it's, I would say, if let's say for us, for our own pans, we rate our pans for about 3 to 3.5 years of use easily. I mean, the first nonstick we made was about 4.5 years ago, and it's still going strong in my own kitchen. But I think a typical life of a non-stick pan is 3.5 years if it's based on tri-ply. If you're buying something which is 200 or 300 rupees, please change it tomorrow, or at least next month, if not earlier.
Right.
You know, that is, it has to cure, it has to bake, and that doesn't happen in a lot of these pans. So as soon as you start seeing it chipping off, which you'll not see in a good brand. I mean, there are enough other good brands in India also that make good non-stick. If you don't see it chipping off, you don't need to change it typically. But if you start seeing it chipping off, change it with immediate effect.